What's up, guys? It's your boy Martin. In this video, I will be going over how you can create your demo account for trading Forex. All right. If you don't know about Forex, it's the foreign exchange market where you trade currencies to earn money daily. Before I do that, if you're new to this channel, make sure that you go ahead and subscribe. Also click that notification bell so you can be the first to know once I upload videos on how you can make some daily cash. Basically, people have questions like, is Forex free? Do you have to join a team to trade Forex? All of those questions just come about, and to answer those questions is no, you don't have to join a team to trade Forex, but you do want to, buy like a course or a mentor or something, because you will learn a strategy. All right. When you learn a strategy, all you have to do is be consistent and stick with that strategy, and basically learn from your mistakes in on out. Now, I'm not, like I said, no best trader. This is my journey with Forex. Like, I'm a beginner. What we're gonna do is come over here to the phone, and it's very, very simple. What you're gonna do is come to KOT4X.com, okay, King of Transparency. All right, and what you're gonna do is create your account. You're gonna click sign up at the top, all of that good stuff. All right, once you do that, log in. All right, so I already have my account. Every time you log in and out, all right, you will get a code sent to your phone that you will have to put in. So this is the back office of it. It's very simple. Come up here to my accounts. You're going to go to create an account. Now you're going to go to demo. Okay. Now what demo means is basically it's a fake account, but you can treat it like it's real. Okay. It will feel real and it will look real. And it's the same thing as if it was a live account, other than you can't withdraw the money. All right. So let's say you have $500. All right. Let's say you have $500 to invest into Forex. Okay. So you would go over here to 500, because you can select the balance, which is 500. And this right here is the leverage. All right. I just do 100. Create an account. Email you used to create your account, you will get the login information. Now, the step you must do is come to your app store. All right. Now go to MetaTrader 4. You have to download MetaTrader 4. All right. I should have did this first, but it doesn't matter. See, I already have it downloaded, but you want to download this app. All right. Once you download the app, everything you will come to a screen that will look like this. You will go to new account and then just click log into an account. All right. Now at the top, you probably won't have nothing right here. So all you would do is just type KOT and it'll pop up right here, and you just go to demo. And now for your login and your password, you will have to go to your Gmail account, all right, and get the login. So here is to get the login. All right. So now that we got the login, all you would do is basically just sign in. All right. And go to history. All right. Now you have $500 in your account. All right. So once again, you will treat this like it's real. We will go over different things, but this is just how to set up the account and get started. You will come over here to quotes. This is where you will find your pairs: USD CAD, USD JAPY, USD JAPY, all of that good stuff. All right. You can add pairs here as well. So like metals, you can go to gold. You can add gold. You can add silver. All right. Shares. Let's see. You can just add a lot of different stuff. Okay. Look at this. All these pairs. Whatever you want to add, you can add it. And to trade it, once again, you'll just click on one, go to the chart, and see, I have an indicator on my chart right now, but that's not, let me take this off. That's not nothing, to worry about right now. And as you can see, my chart is all black, so it's not confusing. All right. And we're going to get into that later as well. But you'll just go to the chart, and however you see the chart is moving, if you feel like you have a strategy that works, what you would do is just simply click trade and go from there. And we'll go over lot sizes and all that stuff once again in the next video. But this is just how to set up your account. All right, and it's free. Okay, I didn't have to pay nothing to do this. This is just like a real account. It's, once again, only thing that is not real about it is I can't withdraw this money. And if you know, you come up with a strategy that you like, and you see that it works and you in profit, then you can go and create a live account and do the same thing and make real money. Okay, you already be used to it and all that good stuff. But I do advise you to go ahead and create your live account, but only trade in your demo account. But treat your live account like a savings. All right, treat it like a savings. So while you're learning, your account is just growing, and before you know it, you can have a $1,000 account, $2,000 account, and trade with bigger lot size and all that. But we're gonna get into that once again. But just know, the more money you have in your account, the more money you can make on trades. Okay, so even if you just want to start with a $50 account, just go ahead and put your $50 in your live account and have it on standby, because once you you know, keep going every single day, you'll see how the market move. You'll see the different patterns. You'll see different, you know, indicators that you can use. So much that you can learn with Forex and so much that you can earn as well. That's what I'm doing right now. So yeah, that's basically how you set up your demo account. Very simple. As you see, it was free. It wasn't no type of hassle. All you do is go to your email address, grab your password and your username, and put it into your MetaTrader 4 account when you log in. Simple. If you like this content, make sure that you like this video. Also, comment below, let me know whatever type of videos y'all want me to drop. Don't forget to subscribe. Other than that, I'm out.